Okay, ready? 40 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hi, we are the cast. We're not.
Never mind.
Hello, we are the cast of the Hunger Games Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, which we are very excited to share with you on November 17th.
We had such a blast making this movie. You guys enjoyed half as much as we enjoyed making it. I can't wait to bring it to a screen near you.
And now we'd love to announce a very special recording artist who wrote the original song for our soundtrack. We've just heard the song, and it's amazing, and she's such a talented, talented young woman. She can't be here with us tonight, but she does have a special message for you all.
I've never seen those birds before.
Mockingjays, we call them. You seem like a good man, Corleone Snow. Would have been nice to meet you under different circumstances.
Your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
We're live!
Good luck with that poor little songbird.
Run. I am gonna get you out of here. But if I'm gonna risk everything, tell me, is this real?
If you can trust anyone in this world, you can trust me.
Coming like a storm into your town.
There's a natural goodness born into us all.
Catch me now.
You can either cross that line into evil or not.
The Hunger Games, rated PG-13, November 17th.
We are so... mic check. There we go. We are so excited to share the movie with you on November 17th. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited. The song is amazing.
I was meant to say this.
Tickets are out and available now. We are in theaters November 17th. Thanks, guys!
Play it again. Great.
I'm so excited to bring the favorite song of Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. It's called Can't Catch Me Now, and I'm very excited for you to hear it.
I've never seen those birds before.
Mockingjays, we call them. You seem like a good man, Corleone Snow. Would have been nice to meet you under different circumstances.
Your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
We're live!
Good luck with that poor little songbird.
I am gonna get you out of here. But if I'm gonna risk everything, tell me, is this real?
If you can trust anyone in this world, you can trust me. There's a natural goodness born into us all. You can either cross that line into evil or not.
The Hunger Games, rated PG-13, November 17th.
The whole thing.
Thank you guys so much.
That was
November 17th, and we feel really excited about it. Oh, you know? Say it again.
Yep, just that second part. And then
Oh
you
yeah,
said,
go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, the new Hunger Games installment, is available on November 17th.
Get your tickets. Excited.
And my thing. He loves it too. It's great.
yourself be free. Strange things did happen here. No stranger would it be if we met up at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree? The necklace of rose, side by side with me. Strange things did happen here. No stranger would it be if we met up at midnight in the hanging tree.
After everything you've seen out there in the world, Mr. Snow. After everything you've seen out there in the world, what are the Hunger Games for?
Are you coming to the tree?
The Hunger Games, they're to punish the districts. Those tributes don't have a choice.
Your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
So we both be free.
We're live! Smile. It's why we have teeth.
Imagine it was your name that they pulled.
Strange things did happen here.
I just want to know that somebody still cared about me, that I was still of value.
Welcome to the Capitol.
You look like you shouldn't be here.
I shouldn't, but I'm your mentor.
A rebel.
I am gonna get you out of here.
If you want to protect people, then it's essential to accept what human beings are and what it takes to control them. Let's see you use that famous snow charm.
You seem like a good man, Corleone Snow.
I have seen what war does to people.
Fueled with the terror of becoming prey. See how quickly we become predator? I want my enemies to see a rainbow of destruction engulfing the world.
You're monsters! All of you!
Good luck with that poor little songbird.
Where is she?
It's a mystery. And mysteries have a way of driving people mad.
Mr. Snow, let me ask you one final time. What are the Hunger Games for?
Hanging tree.
It's the things we love most that destroy us.
Of course, thank you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, absolutely. Of course. Yeah. I'm gonna just the skirt. Look at the Thomas. I've never seen Tom's signature. It's kind of weird to hear my voice everywhere. I'm like, who is that? Hi, how are you? I told Josh I wouldn't embarrass him and like draw on his face. I'm just gonna write like handsome over his face. Of course, thank you.
Just one picture.
Of course. Where you at? I'm like smiling so hard. Of course. Stay warm, guys. It's so weirdly cold tonight. But it's like actually feels like October. Thank you so much. Of course, thank you. You're stunning. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. Yeah, for sure. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm like pushing you off the ledge. Are you good? Are you like in a safe spot? Okay, good. Just making sure. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Are we going back home yet? Yep. Hi, Katie.
I want to mark you.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Good. Are you?
Of course.